What if the job you depend on, the one paying your bills, supporting your family, funding your life, suddenly disappeared tomorrow? Not because you did anything wrong, but because of restructuring, budget cuts, automation, AI is here, or decisions that were made about you in rooms you weren't in. For a lot of women today, whether you are in corporate, healthcare, education, retail, government, or any other sector, that possibility is real and it is happening. And the women who feel the most secure right now aren't the ones with the best job titles. They're the ones who built something on their own on the side. Today, I want to talk about why every woman should be building a second stream of income and why you probably already have everything you need to start. Before we dive in, let me welcome you to my channel. My name is Catherine, founder of Breakout Life Coaching and Consulting. And on my channel, I help women who are feeling burnt out, stuck, or uncertain about their future learn how to build an online business using the skills, knowledge, and life experience they already have. Because the truth is this, you don't have to stay dependent on a system that could change overnight. You can create options. So let's talk about why this conversation is so important right now. For decades, women were taught something very simple: go to school, get good grades, get a good job, work hard, stay loyal to the company, and eventually everything will work out. But the world of work doesn't operate the way it has in the past anymore. That is a reality that is hard to hear, but that is the truth. And if you are operating with the paradigm that was years ago, you will get left behind and you will find yourself in a situation that you do not want. Companies restructure constantly, entire departments disappear overnight, and industries evolve, and technology changes jobs faster than ever. So that is why we're seeing this everywhere, from corporate layoffs to retail closures to automation in healthcare and education systems. This isn't about fear. It's about being realistic about the times we're living in. Depending on one paycheck today is like building a house on one pillar. If that pillar cracks, everything becomes unstable. The women who are navigating these changes the best are doing something different. They didn't necessarily quit their job, and I am not advocating quitting your job. We're talking about providing more security by building something on the side. They didn't blow up their lives overnight. They simply started building something on the side, such as a digital product, coaching service, consulting offer, or an online course, or just something where they can use the online space as a way to build income. When you are building something on the side, you are in control of your time. And just let me remind you, the skills that you have, you own those skills and you are really just loaning them to the company that you work for. So the skills you have, the life experience you have, you can take that and turn it into something on the side outside of your job to start an online business. Something that generates income, as I stated, outside of your job. And you can build it slowly. These women who have already taken this step, they're building it slowly. They're using their evenings and their weekends. And I know you're probably thinking, well, I don't have time. Well, let me just say this. Do you watch TV on the weekends? Do you watch TV in the evenings? That special show that you like, the one or two shows that you like, those actors and actresses, they're getting paid. And if you want to secure your future outside of one paycheck, then take that time, pull back time from the evenings and the weekends to build something of your own. And then eventually you will create the income. You're giving yourself options and freedom that you didn't have before. And that is what the women who are actually taking this step, they're doing that right now. But here's where a lot of women stop themselves. They think, as I stated, for one thing, I don't have time, but mainly the thought of, I don't know how to start a business. I'm not an entrepreneur. I don't have everything. I don't have anything special to offer. And that belief keeps incredibly talented women stuck. Because the truth is, most successful businesses are built on knowledge people already have. Your experience matters, your skills matter, your life lessons matter. They could be helpful to someone else. Let me give you a couple of examples. A project manager can teach businesses how to organize and streamline operations. A teacher could create digital learning resources. A healthcare professional could create wellness education. Someone who overcame burnout can help other professionals recover from it. A mother who mastered budgeting can teach financial organization. Your lived experience is valuable. The problem is most women were never taught how to package that knowledge into a business. And this is exactly why I created my free guide called Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. This guide helps you start identifying the skills you already have, the experiences that shape you, and the knowledge others would gladly pay to learn from. Because many women are sitting on a gold mine of expertise and they don't even realize it. So if you want to explore what your zone of genius might be, you can download the guide below. The link is in the description below. It is a powerful starting point. Now, a lot of people think they'll start a business if something goes wrong at work. But that's actually the hardest time to start, because when income suddenly disappears, you're under pressure, you're stressed, you're trying to replace money quickly. The smartest move is to start before you need it. Start while you have stability. Start while you still have income. Start while you can experiment and learn without panic. Think of it as building a second financial pillar under your life. Something powerful also happens when women start building something of their own. Even if it starts small, even if it's just an ideal at first, their confidence changes. They stop feeling trapped. They stop feeling like their entire future depends on a company's decisions. They start thinking differently and they start seeing opportunities everywhere. And eventually, many women realize they can create more income and impact than they ever imagined. This conversation isn't just about income. It's about agency. It's about control over your life. It's about knowing that if the world changes tomorrow, you still have options. And that kind of confidence is powerful. If you've been feeling that quiet voice inside you saying, there has to be something more than this, listen to it. Because that voice is often the beginning of your next chapter. And if you want help figuring out what you could build using the skills and experiences that you already have, start with the free guide. Tap into your zone of genius and monetize it. It will help you start seeing your knowledge, your experience, and your strength through a completely different lens. Be sure and download the guide. The link is in the description below. And if this video resonated with you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another woman who needs to hear this message, because more women deserve to know you are far more capable of building something than you've ever been led to believe, and that best time to start is now. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.